Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a cleaning products haul. I wanted to share with you guys the items that I picked up from Grove Collaborative. I'm starting to pay a lot more attention to the cleaning products that I'm using around the house, specifically because Rylee is a lot more mobile. She puts a lot more things into her mouth, and I really want to just make sure that everything is safe. So some of the items I have actually used already, so I will be giving my honest opinion about those, and some of them are still wrapped up in the packaging because I really want to finish what we currently have before I open anything new. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new, my name is Nia and I create new videos every Monday and Thursday around cleaning, organization, mommyhood, and lifestyle videos. So if those are the type of videos that you are into, make sure to subscribe down below so you never miss out on a future video. And yeah, let's jump right into the haul. So I was actually watching Exo Juliana's one of her videos, and she was doing a collab with Grove Collaborative, where as if all of her viewers and subscribers, if they clicked on the link and they were new to purchasing from Grove Collaborative, they got a bunch of free products. So I got a bunch of that stuff, and then I did of course add a few more items into my cart. So yeah, let's jump right in. So this is one of the items that I did pick up, and this is going to be the Method Wood for Good Squirt Mop wood floor cleaner. We have wood floors throughout the whole downstairs of the house, and some of the products that I've used in the past for the wood floors have kind of caused a hazy type of like film that made the wood floors look dirtier than when I actually clean them to begin with. So I was really looking for a good wood cleaner, and I want to give this one a try. And I did use it in one of my Power Hour videos, and I absolutely love it. It is super easy to use. All you have to do is just squirt it onto the floor, use a mop or any type of Swiffer, and it literally makes the floor shine. So definitely something I am really loving. And then another product of theirs is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Cleaner, and this I've used it on almost everything. I really do like it. I love the smell of it. It's the lemon scented one. I'm not sure if they do come with other scents, but I definitely am a fan of this. What I love the most is, since it is a multi-surface cleaner, you don't have to have a whole bunch of different things with you while you're trying to clean the house. This cleans mostly everything. So, you know, it's just a one-stop shop type of thing. Another thing I picked up was the Bon Ami powder cleanser, and I used, and this is actually good for bath and other surfaces like your kitchen, and I used it on the bathroom floor maybe about a couple of days ago, and I don't know if maybe I just used too much product on the floor, but it kind of left a haze on the tile floor that, you know, took me a little bit of a while to get up. So I'm not so much of a fan of this just yet, but I will give it another try because I've only used this one time, and I'll just try using a little bit less product, and hopefully that will work. I also got two of these microfiber towels, and I've been using them with the multi-surface cleaner, and I really do love these. They're super easy to use, and they're super easy to use, and you literally just throw them in the hamper, wash them with your regular clothes, and they are instantly clean. So that is definitely something that I really love. And in my package, it did also come with these midnight navy blue kitchen towels. So I thought that these were really nice. You can never have too many towels in the kitchen because, you know, that's one of the places that you are the most. So it tends to get dirty quickly. So definitely having some extra towels in the kitchen are always going to be a plus. I have also used the 7th generation toilet bowl cleaner, and I wouldn't say that there's anything that is super amazing about this product, but I did like it. It cleaned the toilet really well, so I really can't complain, but it wasn't something that I felt so attached to, if that makes sense. But yeah, so if you're looking for any type of bathroom cleaner, specifically a toilet bowl cleaner, then definitely check out 7th generation. Another item from 7th generation that I did also pick up is going to be the natural dish liquid soap, and as you can see, the blue tape is still on it, so I haven't used it just yet. I am excited to use this specifically for Rylee's bottles and all of the things that we use specifically for her, because I am a little bit anal when it comes to her things. I do believe she is a little bit young for, I guess, having any type of allergy, but you really you really never know with kids because they break out for the littlest things. So I'm interested in seeing how I like the dish soap for her, since it is more of a natural because it is more of a natural product, and it says it's 0% fragrances and dyes in triglycerin, I believe it is. So yeah, I'm interested in seeing how this is. I also received some natural sponges, and I'm excited to give this a try. I think this will be good for cleaning the stovetop, even maybe cleaning inside of the oven. I'm not 100% sure, but this will probably be used in the kitchen and also in the bathrooms as well. The next one is something I'm really excited to give a try. I haven't used it just yet, but this is going to be their glass cleaner spray. And what I love most about this is that it is glass. You don't have to worry about ever throwing it out, and all you have to do is continue to keep refilling it with your multi-surface cleaners or whatever you really want to use it for. I'm kind of wanting to purchase a few more, but you know, I'm just gonna stop myself for right now. I don't want to pick up too many things, but yeah, this is definitely one that I am excited to use. There also was this cleaning essential set. It's orange and rosemary, and it's a 3-packer that comes with one all multi-purpose cleaner, one glass cleaner, and one tub and tile cleaner. I'm really excited to give this a try. When Juliana used this in her video, I've never actually seen this before, so I was very intrigued. And they come like this, and all you have to do is just rip the top off, put the product into the glass cleaner and fill it up with water, and there you go. You have an instant multi-surface cleaner or tile cleaner, whichever one that you do decide to use. And that's, I guess, why I want to pick up maybe 2 more so I can have one in each bottle, but I'm just gonna hold off for right now. The last item that I did get in my package is going to be just this pail that you can put all of your cleaning products in. For any of you guys who you spend a day cleaning, you know that it can be a bit of a hassle just trying to lug all your cleaning products throughout the whole entire house. So I think this just makes it easier, especially if you're using the glass cleaner and also any of the little essential set, or if you're using the multi-purpose cleaner, because again, you can literally use that stuff on anything, so it's less stuff that you actually have to have. So that is everything that I picked up from Grove Collaborative, and I did want to let you guys know that they are not sponsoring this video. Everything I picked up and purchased with my own money, except for the items that I did get for free for signing up as a new member. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.